Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting the floating window permission for the specific app. Go to Settings, then Apps, and find the app you want to float. Once you open its details, choose Permissions or Special Access and locate Floating Window or Pop-up Window. Toggle it on and accept any system prompts. Make sure to exempt the app from aggressive battery optimization if prompted. Otherwise, the float may close. This step is essential because without the permission, Android prevents overlay behavior on Vivo. Next, configure Vivo-specific features that control overlays. Open iManager or Settings right arrow Smart Sidebar and enable it if present. Add your app to the sidebar list. Once added, you can drag the app to create a floating window. Also open the app itself and turn on its in-app floating or picture-in-picture option if it has one. Make sure Draw over other apps is allowed for the same app. This ensures the system lets the app render on top of other screens and keeps the floating window stable. Finally, start the app, summon the floating window via the sidebar or in-app control, then drag and resize it to your preferred position. Once done, lock orientation or enable a persistent notification so Android is less likely to kill the float in low-memory situations. If the floating window fails, reboot the phone first, then recheck floating window permission and battery optimization exceptions. If issues persist, clear the app cache or reinstall. These steps fix permission corruption and restore the floating behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.